Welcome everybody to today's stream. Today we are looking at the Keychron K6 Pro. This is a mechanical keyboard and it is known to be one of the best thonkiest keyboards out there. So we're going to test it out, guys. We're going to unbox it for you today. As you can still see, the factory seal is on. And without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, let's see if I can make this satisfying. Oh, beautiful. Okay, lovely. Let's check it out right now. Oh, beautiful. Airtight kind of press fit seal there. Very nice. It smells like craziness. Okay, a nice piece of foam to protect it. And a quick start guide. Lovely. Okay, here we got our key puller. As well as we should have a switch puller in here as well. Because this is Hot-Swappable. Here, USB to Type-C. Really cool there. Okay, we got a little Keychron here. I got the red Pro switches, which is the Thonky switch. You also get the blue ones. I did not want that. Please be gentle. And make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. Here's a screwdriver. There's a switch puller right there, guys. A little blue screwdriver. We got some different color keys here, 2 alt keys and the Windows key. That's really nice, actually. And let's take a look at today's. Wow, this thing's heavy, guys. If I can tell you how heavy this is, it's probably like 2 kgs. Maybe more. Oh, guys. Oh, my soul. Guys, can you hear that? Oh, it sounds so nice! Bro, okay. First, we got stands here, so it's adjustable. We got 2 sizes, so small stand, and then a large stand. I like to preferably have mine on the large stand. Here's our USB-C port. Here is our choice between Windows or Android or Mac OS or iOS. So I'm going to put it to Windows. And then it's got BT off and cable. So it can be wired. Okay, let's see this bad boy. Okay, Bluetooth mode is on. Let's see how it looks. Oh, guys, the RGB. Oh, the RGB. Guys. Ha. Oh, my soul. Oh, my soul. Guys, this keyboard is so sick. These keys are Hot-Swappable. So that means all I have to do, actually I'm going to switch it off for this, is wrap this thing around one of the keys and pull it. And there it is, keys out. Easy as that, 1, 2, 3. And then I can go and actually get my switch puller and show you guys how cool this is right now. Okay, this is the key puller, so I'll put this in here. And I'll press down. Or is it to the side? I have a feeling it's not. Yeah, it is here. Oh! Guys, that's the first time I've ever pulled a switch out of a keyboard before. Look at how cool that is. Look at this little switch. Okay, and now when you put it back, you want to make sure it's properly aligned. So first you align it, then you just push. And it's back. That's it. Yes! Guys, this is so sick. I'll see you all in the next one. I'll see you guys. Take care. And everyone, have fun. And bye. Buddha!